Hi everyone, it's Christina, Maggie's sister. I'm here to share with you a beautiful Hermès scarf that I found at Vestiaire Collective. That's the authentication certification tag. And this is the scarf. It's designed by Robert Dallet, who is or was a wildlife artist who partnered up with Hermès from time to time. And this is a special scarf that Hermès and Panthera, which is a global wildcat conservation organization, collaborated in to bring awareness to wild cats, big cats. And this beautiful scarf, which has drawings by Robert Dallet, highlights tigers, jaguars, snow leopards, cougar, I think, and maybe a cheetah as well. It's absolutely stunning. And this is the unboxing. I got this on Vestiaire Collective. It was in new condition, and I'm just going through and checking all of the hand-rolled edges. I want to make sure there are no pop stitches or any other fraying or anything like that. I was told that it was in new condition. Like you saw, it came with the box. That was the name of the design, which is Dans l'Atelier de Robert Dallet. I'm obviously butchering that French pronunciation. I took Spanish, not French. But this is the design. And now I'm going to go through and show each kind of quadrant of the scarf. I'm just checking to make sure there are no pulled threads, no, kind of pilling or any other issues with it. It clearly has the fold lines for how it was stored, or purchased, to begin with. But the pictures are absolutely stunning. And Maggie and I got this scarf for our mom, in particular because 2022 is the year of the tiger. And we just thought she would love this scarf. And Maggie's going to attach to this video when we present it to her. So please stay tuned for that. But so far, so good. No issues. I saw a little piece of lint, which I flicked off. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't something that was, more of an issue. But isn't that regal tiger in the center so stunning? And now you're going to see me go through again each segment of the scarf. I just wanted to make sure there were absolutely no issues, since this is going to be a gift, before I take the Vestiaire Collective tag off. This came from Hong Kong, and we were able to get a really good deal because I had a coupon from Vestiaire Collective, and I was able to negotiate the price down a little bit. So we actually got it for probably an amount that was more than what the owner had purchased it for, but less than what we would be able to purchase this silk scarf for now that Hermès has raised their prices a little bit, not as outrageous as Chanel, but this scarf, even if it was re-released this year, which fingers crossed, some of Dallet's work will be released this year since it is the year of the tiger, and he did such beautiful tiger scarves, tiger themed scarves. So that is the title of the scarf, and stay tuned now for our mom's unboxing and her reaction.
What does it say?
Well, that one's
The card.
Happy New Year.
Did you make it?
Happy New Year.
Wow, that's cute. Oh, it's like, wow. It's like all Asians. See the little cat that waves? That's really cute. Did it take a long time? That's cute. Mommy, don't do it in middle of the kitchen. Come over here.
That's
my God. Okay, come over here. Sit over here, Mommy. You don't need anything nice?
이거 뭐야? 오프닝이야?
Jaguar,
Panther, 호랭이.
silk.
It's silk.
Hermès.
Turn on the light.
이게
Wow, that is.
이게 그 호랭이에요.
Yeah, this is the year of the tiger. You already knew. Look at that tiger. Oh my gosh.
이거 어디 가야지 내가.
Mommy, this is so hard to find in this condition because they don't make it anymore. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Mommy. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful.
뒤에.
Oh my dear, back. Oh my gosh, Mom, this is so pretty.
여기 있으면 안 되는데 이거 어디
You have to go somewhere. You can't say.
아이고야.
이거가 특별히 내가 한참 찾았어요.
It's yeah. She's been looking for a long time.
세상에 이런 게 다 있어.
Yeah.
멋있죠? 아주
어딜 가지?
Okay. Where are you gonna go, mommy?
특별히 금년에 이거 타이거
Yeah,
이어라고
to hear the tiger.
호랑이 중에서도 아주
Wow, that's gorgeous.
센 호랑이야.
Wow. That I love the color. It's like cream. Fine. Mommy, don't go near the food.
여기서 막
Wow, let me see. That's spectacular. Wow.
Oh, Daddy's awake.
이게 사람이 그린 거야. 이민년이잖아, 금년에.
It's a year of the tiger. Look at that. You like it, Daddy?
이야.
Amazing.
이걸 그냥 하지 말고 이렇게.
Use it as a cake. Superman! Wow, that's gorgeous.
이렇게 하고 다니지. 이거를 쓰고 다니지.
Wow, that is beautiful. That's the most gorgeous scarf I've ever seen.
어떻게 사람이 이렇게 그려?
How did somebody draw like that?
지금 이거 많이 없어.
Yeah.
맨날 이거 안.
Yeah, there's not too many in the world. Yeah.
한국에서도 이렇게 키워서 내보냈어.
Yeah, they raise them and then they
가운데가 타이거.
see the center is a tiger. You're the tiger. Yay! This is amazing.